Rainy days and memories make the paints run together like an orchard. As the brushstrokes run together, they remind me of the paintings I create for her. I realize all of the colors as the sun sets on all the days we shared. It's time I paint her portrait so this world will see I never will forget her. And that never in my life will I see her face again. Time can never take it back to the place it should have been. So many times I threw her love away, and now I wish that I had saved some for a rainy day. As the brushstrokes run together, I remember all of the times she shared my bed. I realize now she needed tender things that I should have said. The memories and tears have streaked the brushstrokes in her lovely eyes as I read the final letter where she had to say goodbye. And that never in my life would I see her face again. Time can never take us back to the place we should have been. So many times I threw her love away, and now I wish that I had saved some for a rainy day. The portrait's on my wall, and I have gathered dust for holding on to still life dreams of such unfaithful times. I might shed a tear if I knew why she stayed inside my head, but it's much too late and I'm much too tired, so I'll just go to bed and dream about our life where I touch her face again. But the waking world just doesn't hold the place it should have been. But as I dream, she never walks away, and that memory somehow keeps me warm on rainy days.